Hello guys, yesterday I had uploaded a video on matrices. It was a general introduction and types of matrices. Now we'll come across three of the operations, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices. And matrices. So first we'll come to addition. So there is condition addition. Condition is the matrices of the same orders can be added. So here suppose in case of a square matrix, let A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 3, 2, 6, 1. So here A is equal to, A has 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, it is 2 into 2 matrix. Here also B is 2 into 2 matrix. So that can be added. So A plus B will be first row and first column. First row and first column 2 plus 3. Similarly 3 plus 6. Similarly 4 plus 2 and 5 plus 1. So it will become 5, 7, 9, 5 plus 1, 6. So A plus B will be, and two matrices of the same order can be added and the result will also be in the same order. So this is the multiplication. Let us multiply of the different order. This is example 1. So general form of addition. Addition. Suppose A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A22, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here A1, so this is one matrix, and suppose there is another matrix B is equal to B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33. So we have to add it. So therefore A plus B will be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and B will be plus B. B is given here B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33. Now we have to add this. So this will add with this. Matrices of the same column and same row order will be added. So here the resultant matrix will A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13. Here in the second row, it will be A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B23, A31 plus B31, A32 plus B32, A33 plus B33. And this was the matrix of 3 into 3, and this was also 3 into 3, and the resultant matrix after addition will also be equal to 3 into 3. So this is the process of addition of multiplication. Subtraction of matrices. So subtraction of matrices is as similar as addition of matrix. Take for example, first we will write matrices of the same order can be subtracted. So suppose A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and B is equal to 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first we will check the order of this matrix. This matrix has 3 rows. So 3 into and 2 columns. So 3 into 2 order. Here the order is 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. 3 row and 1, 2, 2 column. So it can be subtracted. So A minus B will be 5 minus 3, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 2, 8 minus 6, 9 minus 4, 10 minus 7. So it will be equal to 2, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. And you will see that after A minus B, the matrices will be same order, as A has 3 into 3 order, B has 3 into 3 order, and A minus B will also be equal to 3 into 2 order. Guys, we will have to understand few laws related to addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. First one is commutative law. Cumulative law holds for addition. Commutative law holds for addition. It means if A is some matrix, it is added with 2 by 2. It can be also written as B plus A. The result in both the case will be same. Second is associative law. Holds for addition. Means if A is a matrix plus B is a matrix, we keep it in bracket, plus C is a matrix. We can write as A plus B plus C. So this is the laws of for addition. And third one is commutative law and associative law does not hold for subtraction. Means if A is a matrix, minus B cannot be equal to B minus A. Similarly, A minus B minus C cannot be equal to A minus B minus C. Now we'll come to multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. In multiplication of matrices, one of the important point for multiplication of two matrices, the number of column of the first matrix must be equal to number of rows in second matrix. Let us see by example. Suppose A is a matrix. Suppose A is a matrix of order 3 into 2. 3 into 2 means the matrix A has 3 rows and 2 columns. And suppose B is a matrix of order 2 into 4. So the matrix B has 2 rows and 4 columns. So that can be multiplied. A and B can be multiplied because the number of rows, the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. So let us now guys let us see the general form of multiplication of matrices. Matrices. So suppose A is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22 is a square matrix. It is of order 2 into 2. And suppose B is equal to, suppose we will write suppose, and suppose B is equal to B11, B21, B12, B22. Now, and suppose that after multiplication the result is x11, x12, x21 and x22. It will be also in 2 into 2 matrices. Now x11, the elements of the value of x11 will be a11 into b11 plus a12 into b21. So first row and first column. Now x12 will be first row and second column. First row is this and second column is this. So this will be a11 into b12 plus a12 into b22. Now x21 will be second row and first column. So this will be equal to a21 into b11 plus a22 into b21. And last is x22 will be second row and second column, a21 into b12 plus a22 into b22. So this is the elements of x11, in place of x11 the value will be this, in place of x12 the value of will be this, in place of x21 the value will be this, and in place of x22 the value will be this. So let us do one example of it. By example you will be clear, you will be more clear. It is in the form of question: multiply the below matrices. A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 5 and B is equal to 3, 2, 1, 6, 1. Suppose A into B, and it is A is the order of 2 into 2, B is in the order of 2 into 2. So the result of A into B will also be in the order of 2 into 2. Suppose it is x11, x12, x21 and x22. Then so x11 will be 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. First row and first column. This will be equal to 6 plus 6. This will be equal to 12. So x12 will be 2 into 6 plus 3 into 1. This will be 12. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 1 is 3. It will be 3. It will be 15. So x x21, x21 means second row first column, second row and first column, orderly we will multiply. 4 into 3 plus 5 into 2, this will be equal to 12 plus 10, this will be equal to 22. Now x22 means second row and second column, 6 into 4 plus 5 into 1, this will be 6 into 4 plus 5 into 1, this will be equal to 24 plus 5, this will be equal to 29. Now we have got the value of all the elements of A into B. Therefore A into B will be x, in place of x11 we will write 12, in place of x12 we will write 15, in place of x21 we will write 22, and in place of x22 we will write 29. And though you don't have to write the order after getting the answer, but for you, the sake of simplicity, if A was the matrix of 2 into 2 order, B was into 2 into 2 order, so this will be also, A into B will also be in the 2 into 2 order. Now in the next class we'll come to some complex multiplication and other remaining part of the matrices. This is part 2. In part 3 we will deal with lot of other remaining things of the matrices. Thank you guys.